Voting of Maharashtra Assembly election 2024 across 288 assembly seats has finally concluded. Till 5 pm, the approximate voter turnout of 58.22% was recorded across all the 288 assembly seats of Maharashtra. As per the Election Commission of India's voter turnout app, the Gadchiroli district witnessed the highest voter turnout till 5 pm. Other districts like Bhandara, Gondia, Jalna, Kolhapur, Chandrapur and Satara witnessed more than 64% of voter turnout till 5 pm. Mumbai City district recorded the lowest voter turnout among all the districts of Maharashtra. Voter turnout in Mumbai suburban and Thane district too were underwhelming till 5 pm. Now we look at the voter turnout till 5 pm of key Maha battles that were under polling in Maharashtra. Starting with the Baramati Assembly seat, where incumbent MLA Ajit Pawar is contesting against Yugendra Pawar from the NCP Sharad Pawar faction. The assembly seat has got a voter turnout of 62.31%. Next is the Worli Assembly seat, where incumbent MLA Aditya Thackeray of Shiv Sena UBT is defending the Worli seat against Shiv Sena's Milind Deora and MNS's Sandeep Deshpande. The seat has witnessed 47.50% of voter turnout till 5 pm. Moving to the Bandra East Assembly seat, NCP AP's Zishan Siddiqui is contesting against Shiv Sena UBT's Varun Sardesai. The seat has got a voter turnout of 49.51%. Next is the Nagpur Southwest Assembly seat. BJP's Devendra Fadnavis contesting against Praful Budade of the Indian National Congress. The seat has witnessed a voter turnout of 51.54%. And last is the Mahim Assembly seat, which is basically a triangular contest between MNS's Amit Thackeray, Shiv Sena's Sada Sarvankar and Shiv Sena UBT's Mahesh Sawant. The seat has got 55.23% of voter turnout till 5 pm. The result of the Maharashtra election will be out on November 23rd.